Hi guys, welcome to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can change address on Shop app. So first step you simply need to do is to search Shop app and open the Shop app. So once you open, you simply need to log in into your account and click on your profile picture on the top right. From here you need to click on settings. And once you are in settings, here you can see address. You simply need to click on this arrow. And here you can see my address. You simply need to click on three dots. And here you can see an option of change address. Click on that and now you can easily change address. Once you make change to your address, you simply need to click on save change in the bottom and your address will be updated. So this is the process how you can change address on Shop app. So I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you. Have a good day.